Now we're going to look at tree diagrams. Tree diagrams are a method of looking at the probabilities of a combination of events. It's just an easy way of listing out all the outcomes you can have. In this case, we are looking at the probability of being on time for school on one day and the next, today and tomorrow. We're given in the question the probability that I am late for school is 0.4. So we can use that to label our tree diagram. Here we have late today, 0.4. Tomorrow again, late, 0.4. And again, down here, 0.4. The sum of all probabilities add up to 1. So if the probability of being late is 0.4, then the probability of being on time would be 0.6. Again, we can label all the other branches of this tree using 0.6, on time, and on time at the bottom. So just to clarify, this is how it works. Late today, late tomorrow. Late today, on time tomorrow. On time today, late tomorrow, and on time today, on time tomorrow. So it shows you how we can look at all different outcomes. Now we've completed our tree diagram with all the probabilities, we can now use it to start answering questions. An example question would be the probability of being on time both days. Now, in this case, on time here is 0.6, and then on time tomorrow would be 0.6 as well. Now, the way we calculate this is when we're going across the tree diagram, whichever route we use, we multiply the probability together. And we take a step across here, and we say I am on time both days. The first day, 0.6, and then we multiply that by the second day, which again is 0.6, and that will give us an answer of 0.36. So we have a probability to be on time both days is 0.36. Now we're going to look at a slightly different question. I am late on one of the days. Okay, so if we take a look at the tree diagram again, first of all, we're looking at late on one of the days, so not two of the days. We have late and on time. So we're multiplying as we go across the strands. 0.4 times 0.6 is 0.24. The other option we have, on time one day and late the other day. Again, late on one day. 0.6 times 0.4, again, that equals 0.24. We'll take those numbers back over here. I'm late on one of the days. It's either going to be one or the other, and we add those two numbers together. 0.48. So that's almost 0.5, which is about a 50-50 chance of being late on one of the days.